Hello everyone, I brought to you this beginner to advanced level course that is all about Ionic. Ionic is a framework, a technology with the help of which we can build cross-platform applications with web technologies. That means with HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you learn to build applications that run as native apps on Android and iOS devices that can be deployed to Google Play Store and Apple App Store. As well as using the same code, we can also build a normal web app that runs in a normal web browser. All these things we will learn in this particular course. We will build Ionic apps using Angular Framework in this course, which is an amazing front-end framework that makes building such apps much more easier. For connecting with native device features, Ionic provides us two tools. One is Capacitor and the other one is Cordova. In this course, we will be using Capacitor to deal with the real native device features such as the camera, geolocation, storage and lot more. And its biggest advantage is that most of the plugins can be used in web app also, which is not applicable in case of Cordova. So all these things we will learn in this particular course. In this course, we will learn about Ionic starting from zero to publishing apps by implementing it practically, because I strongly believe that you learn way more when you are building something practical. So we will implement a lot of native plugins and components in a single application that you can see on the screen out there. We have already used a lot of native plugins which you can see the implementation that is showing out there, and also along with that there are many components. All those examples are taken out there to make you understand how this can be done very nicely. So using all these concepts, we will have a better understanding of Ionic, how to use all the things up out there. Now after getting familiar with Ionic framework, all its components and the native features, we will dive into building up a real-world application which is our food delivery application that is similar to Swiggy, Zomato or Uber Eats. You might have heard of all these applications. We will be building up similar to that kind of an application in our course. So in this application we will be working with lots of native plugins and we will be using lots of Ionic components also, along with complex routing and navigation, styling and theming of our application, working with the Google Maps and also its other APIs of Google Maps. We will be all implementing that up in this particular application. Now along with that, we will also work with the live data using Firebase, Firestore and storage also. We will also perform user authentication and a lot more. And it's not over yet. We will also learn to build an admin panel within the same application only, which will be used to seed data to our server. Alright? Now let's jump into the benefits of this course. What will you get from this course? In this course, we will learn the best coding practices and approaches and also how to structure our project in a much better way which is easier to understand by anyone. We will also learn how to fix real-time bugs which we will be encountering in many ways, whether in plugin, or we will also implement lots of optimization into our application to make it much better and understandable and even readable, I would say. Now the main question comes, who is this course for? Now anyone with basic knowledge of HTML, JavaScript and CSS can enroll in this course. That can either be a student or a working professional. Alright, you have seen what is there in this course. Now let's talk about the pricing of it. So it is available on Udemy. There is a special limited period offer going on for a few days in which you will get around 95 to 97% off, which brings the course price down to $9.99, or in Indian rupees it will be around 360 rupees. The price may vary after a few days, so do enroll in this course as soon as possible, and I'm eagerly waiting to see you in this particular course. So thank you very much.